Bought these here mowers off of a fella down the road for $100. This in here is a yard machine MTD with Tuscumsky V-twin. He said it don't do nothing, but I'm telling you, it looks really clean. It looks really clean. So something tells me it's gonna be a simple fix. Got this other one over here, a Husky, 18 horsepower, single overhead cam. Turns over, ain't doing nothing. Pull the valve cover off. Check this. That's probably the problem there, because he said it was running fine, and then all of a sudden he hit some branch or whatever, and that was it. It's crazy. All right, I'm gonna try to start it. Just adjusted the valves. Haven't tried it yet, so let's see what happens. All right, I pulled the cylinder on the bottom of the carb. This stuff here is pretty gunked up, so I can only imagine the carburetor is probably pretty gunked up, but this thing here was not sliding, so I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it off, see if it makes a difference. I'll show you right here on the bottom of the carb. Little wire right there. You just cut it off like that. I get it to focus right there. I'm gonna screw it back in. Don't even have to plug it up. Alright, so I mean, I might be wrong, but this little piece right here, that little thick piece in between the valve and the rocker arm, that's what was sitting down in here. Alrighty. My wife calls me a redneck now. Anyways, just pulled the head off. That's what we got. Honestly, head gasket don't look bad. What do you see here though? What do you know? What do you know? What do you see there? That'd be the problem. Look how gummed up all that is. This little thing right here, I'm gonna have to push that. I'm gonna take this valve out. I'm gonna clean this up, and I'm gonna try to re-put that in there and then crimp it. See if that fixes the issue. If it don't, we're gonna let her ride. I already took pictures of the other one and everything. That whole seat, just pull it right out. So I'm gonna clean that up, slide this back in, crimp the sides, I think. And see what happens. All right, I got it pressed back in there. I was gonna crimp the sides of it, but I don't want to alter the circumference or the roundness of that sleeve. I was thinking about putting a couple pinholes around it to maybe help squeeze that thing in there a little bit, but I don't know. I feel like if I don't, then this head ain't gonna last very long. And even still, I don't think this head will last very long. That valve there is disgusting, for one. So I'm about to clean that up a little bit. Alright. I just got everything back together. I tapped that thing back in, the valve seat. I think I got everything back together, right? Let's see what happens, I reckon. See if it blows up.